All right, so now we're going to graph this system of inequalities. So let's start by graphing the first inequality. Hopefully we recognize this is a circle. If we write this as an equation, x minus 1 quantity squared, y plus 3 quantity squared equals 9. This is a circle centered at 1, negative 3, 1, negative 3. And the radius is 3. So we go up 3, down 3, left 3, right 3, and kind of get a graph something like that. So now the question is, do we shade the inside or the outside of the circle? Well, let's pick a test point. Let's test the point 0, 0. Actually, if we test the center, the inside, that's really easy. If I plug in, if I test the point 1, negative 3, well, when I plug it in here, we get 1 minus 1 is 0. When I plug in negative 3 plus 3 is 0. And what we want to know, is this result bigger than 9? Well, we get 0 is bigger than 9, which is certainly not true. So because the point inside the circle did not work, that means every point outside the circle will work. So this is the solution to just that inequality. Now let's couple that with this. So let's graph y equals. Now I made a mistake. There's no equal underneath this, so this should really be a dotted line when I graph that. So that should be a dotted line because there's no equal. This will be a solid line because we have an equal. So when I graph y equals x squared minus 1, that's a graph. We take our parabola, we shift it down 1 unit, and we get a graph something kind of like that. Now when I shade this, pick a test point. Let me pick the point 0, 0. So first when I graph this, let me graph this in red, just so we see it a little better. All right, so there's that. So now let me test the point 0, 0. When I plug it in, we get 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 1. That is true, so we shade the inside of this. 0, 0 is right there. That worked, so we shade the inside. And where do the purple and the red overlap? Well, they overlap right in here. So this is the solution to, not including this part, right? But all of everything else, that's the solution set to this system of inequalities.